Okay, the Cetaphil lotion has quickly become my very favorite lotion. I use it every single day on my face, even like sensitive skin. It's absolutely great for, as well as just my whole body whenever I get out of the shower. It's seriously the best. I love it comes in a big jar. This is a 16-ounce jar, and it comes with 2 packs of these too. So I just usually stock up, but I like that they're not cheating you out on any space. They really do fill the whole jar, unlike some other brands. And it's kind of creamy, so I'll just show you a little bit of it. I like that it is kind of, I don't know, like it's kind of thicker going on, but then it really rubs in and soaks in, and I don't feel like it's like oily on my skin after, and I really like that. It's fragrance free, paraben free, advertised to not clog your pores. It's also hypoallergenic. But I just found it really to just be the best moisturizer that I just put on, feels good, and then I don't notice it after the fact. Overall, this is totally my favorite lotion, and I